What's up, internet marketers? Today I'm going to give you not only a way to get more subscribers and more traffic to your website, but I'm also going to give you a template. It's a very simple way to capitalize on a very popular search engine. You're going to love this. Check this out to its entirety. Okay, well, the search engine I was talking about is YouTube, and the simple little hack, little trick, and the templates I'm going to give you as well that will get you more traffic and subscribers is the YouTube channel art. Okay, so if you see above me right now, you see my stupid face here. You see IMG, that's the initials for my website, Internet Marketing Gym. My tagline, a little ninja here, and the most important thing from this little piece of art is YouTube channel art is my CTA arrow, my call to action arrow with the word start that points directly on my website. People can click through here, go to my website and stuff. Of course, this will also prompt people to subscribe, to check out my other social media channels and all that good stuff. Really good, really easy to do all this, okay? So I'm going to give you an actual template. Not only that, I'm also going to give you a transparent watermark that's going to up your subscriber count, okay? Hopefully, okay? So this all depends on you creating YouTube videos consistently on your channel within your niche, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is give you the YouTube channel art template. You can check it out in the description below. There's a link going to this page right here where you're gonna right click and save image as, okay? Not only that, you're gonna right click, you're gonna scroll down, here, and you're gonna see this also another template here. Actually, this is a transparent watermark. You're gonna right click and save image as, okay? As soon as you do that, what you're gonna do is go to Canva, okay? Actually, you should type in Google search YouTube channel art Canva, okay? It's a completely free tool, nothing, you don't have to pay for anything. You click in there, and as you can see my YouTube channel art is already been designed here. What I've done is create a template showing you exactly where how it looks on the YouTube mobile app. That's the red line, that's the blue line, and the YouTube desktop view, that's the red line, okay? You want everything to fall in sync so that it looks good when people check out your channel via mobile or on their desktop, okay? So after you right click and save my YouTube art template, you're going to upload it to Canva. Just click upload and upload it like that. And you're gonna click on the canvas here, and you're gonna just drop it in like that. You're gonna expand it until it reaches the edges of the canvas here. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like, let me see, snap it on. Boom, beautiful. Now you're gonna be able to align all of the images you need, all you want to include within your channel art, within your YouTube channel art. Okay, so let's say, for example, your website is called, maybe you're in the dog niche. Let me see here. happydog.com. Let's change the font to, you need to watch this video in its entirety because I'm going to show you something else, really important stuff. Let's go to Siphona over here. Let's shrink that to 21. Why not? Okay, you're gonna put it here, maybe at the top. You see that dotted line that aligns you perfectly, right? happydog.com. Let's put in, let's say you have an image of yourself, illustration. Let's say this is your image. Let's say like that. Perfect. Okay, so you want to make sure it's within both the blue and red line, right? Because again, YouTube desktop view, YouTube mobile app view, and the CTA call to action arrow. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do all this. Okay, and let's say we're going to write something else, your tagline. You can put it to the side, copy, and something, you know, this is off the cuff, but let's write something in like learn to take care of your dog the right way. And let's align that left. Just like that. You should use your own images, okay? I always recommend you do that because, well, you don't want to use Canvas. You want to use your own free images, your own images, okay? If you can, that'd be cool. Let's keep a color pattern in sync here. So I'm gonna make this guy, let me see, red, and this guy, this dog here, red and black. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna put an arrow here. I want to change the arrow color to red, so I'm gonna write an arrow and look for a nice little arrow we can use. Nice one. Where is a good arrow? It's that's a good one right here. Boom. We're gonna move it around. Now, yeah, this YouTube channel art, it really does help. You really want to optimize this because, number one, it looks professional. Number two, it has people moving towards something, right? This, especially this arrow. So you want to overlay like that. You know, everything here on Canva is drag and drop. And the cool thing is, it's all free. We can change the color to that, to red, for example. Okay? Now that we have our elements in here, we're going to delete the template, just like that. And we're going to go to backgrounds. And you can upload your own background and just drag it to the corners of this template. Or you can just use one of these, I don't know. For example, this, boom, like that. And then you download it. So let's say this is project number 3 here. You download it. Number 3, download. And you simply go to your YouTube channel. Click this image right, this photo icon. And upload it. And that's it. And just click select. And it's going to upload. It's going to look just like mine here, right? So this is really important. Also, I want to show you what it looks like on mobile. Okay, so if you see next to me, you can see how it looks like via mobile. So you have on desktop, you have it like this. You have this arrow pointing right to your site, and on mobile you have the, for example, my image, the abbreviation from my site, my tagline, and the little ninja showing up. So it looks professional and stuff. Now you don't want to stop there. You also want to optimize your YouTube transparent watermark. Okay, so before I just had my site logo, which didn't do anything for me. But now what you want to do is click Create Studio. Go to Creator Studio. Once you're in Creator Studio, you're going to scroll down the channel. You're going to want to go to Branding. Now remember, you downloaded, you saved as this image, okay? Just as is. What you're going to do is, you're going to update it with the image that I have here for you, okay? And you can set it to whatever time you want, 5 seconds in or whatever. I'm going to put it like this and update, just like that. So it starts as soon as the image, as soon as someone plays the video, it just, you're gonna see my little subscriber thing here, okay? And that's how you optimize your YouTube channel to get more traffic, to get more subscribers. Now, all that being said, you got a nice professional looking YouTube channel. What you need to do is consistently post new videos on your YouTube channel. Okay, again, niche related. So I recommend at least 4 times a week. Okay, if you can do that, then all the better to you. More power to you. Okay, so make sure you get my transparent YouTube watermark to get more subscribers, and my YouTube channel art template. Just right click save as. Thank you very much. Make sure you check out all the links within my, is it here? No, it must be here. within my YouTube cards for all those videos. And I'll see you next time. This is Like Pause. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Yo sigo ganando y sigo